Hello guys, this is Pawan. In today's Friday talk, we are going to look at type conversion in Rust. In Rust, primitive types can be converted to each other through casting. Rust addresses conversion between custom types like struct and enum by use of traits. In Rust, the from and into traits are two important traits that are used for converting between types. They are part of Rust's type conversion system and are often used to make the code more flexible and expressive. TryFrom and TryInto traits in Rust are used for failable conversions, allowing for error handling when converting between types. The from trait allows for a type to define how to create itself from another type. It is typically implemented for the target type, the type you want to convert to, and provides a way to create an instance of the target type from the instance of the source type. The into trait is the opposite of the from trait. It allows you to define how an instance of a type can be converted into another type. Instead of implementing it for the target type, you implement it for the source type. One should avoid implementing into and implement from instead. Implementing from automatically provides one with an implementation of into under the hood. Next, the try from trait is used for failable conversion from one type to another. It is often implemented for the target type and defines the TryFrom method, which returns a result indicating success or failure of the conversion. Next one is the TryInto trait. It is the opposite of TryFrom. It is often implemented for the source type and defines the TryInto method, which returns a result indicating success or failure of the conversion. Again, one should prefer implementing from TryFrom trait, which offers great flexibility and provides equivalent implementation to TryInto for free. Now let's take a look at an example. Here we define a custom struct called binary data with a single field called data, which is a vector of unsigned 8-bit integers. This is a struct meant to store the binary data. So here we are implementing from trait for the conversion of a string into binary data. Inside the from implementation, we have from method, which takes in an input string and returns self. So here we start with a string named input. We use into bytes method to convert the string into the vector of q8s, which is effectively turning out text into sequence of bytes. So now we create a new binary data instance with the data field set to the converted byte sequence. This from implementation returns the binary data instance. In the main function, we demonstrate two ways to convert a string into binary data. First one is using from. We create binary data instance named binary data by calling binary data from and passing in hello world string. This converts the string hello world into binary data and stores it in the binary data variable. We then print the data field of the binary data variable, which displays the binary representation of the hello world. Next one is by using into. Since we implemented from trait, we automatically got the implementation for into as well. So using into, here we are creating another binary data instance named binary data by using into method on the string. This is another way to to achieve the same conversion. And here we are printing the data. Now let's take a look at another example on TryFrom and TryInto traits. So here we define a custom struct called even number, which wraps an i32 value. This struct is designed to represent even numbers. So we implement the TryFrom trait for converting an i32 into an even number. Inside i32 implementation, we specify the associate type error as unit, indicating that conversion doesn't return a detailed error message but simply unit to represent a failure. So now we implement our TryFrom method, which takes an I32 as input and returns a result. If the input value is even, its remainder when divided by 2 is 0. We return OK even number with the value, wrapping it in an even number instance. If the input value is odd, we return an error to indicate a conversion failure. So in main method, we demonstrate the use of TryFrom and TryInto. Using TryFrom, we attempt to convert the integer 8 into an even number using even number TryFrom and passing 8 as an argument. This should succeed, so we assert that it is equal to OK even number 8. So we also attempt to convert the integer 5 into an even number using even number TryFrom method. This should fail since 5 is not even number, so we assert that it is equal to error. So using TryInto, because we implemented TryFrom, we also got the implementation for TryInto automatically. So we use TryInto method on the integers to attempt the conversion. First we try to convert 8 into an even number and it should succeed. So we store the result and assert it equals to OK. Then we try to convert 5 into an even number, which should fail. So we store the result in the result variable and assert it that it equals to error. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.